Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown in Moultrie, Georgia, with some commentary for Tuesday, March the 17th, St. Patrick's Day. Not that that means anything for the market, of course. We're seeing over in the financials, there's a lot of anxiety being played out in what the Federal Reserve may or may not say tomorrow. You know, they're meeting today, and they'll put out, to our understanding, they'll put out their opinion tomorrow. And of course, if you can believe it or not, the whole world's hung up on the idea that they may take the word patience out of the talking points and insert the word in flexible. So that gave the market the idea that they're not so quick to pull the interest rate trigger if that's the case. And so that's one reason the U.S. dollar has backed off the last couple of days. The dollar was sharply lower yesterday, while the euro currency was sharply higher. Today, they're basically about unchanged. The stock market, of course, is in huge volatility. Right now, as of this broadcast, we're down about 125 points, but it's been all over the place. In the last few days, we've had 250-point ranges up and down for the last several days, as people jockey for whatever position they think they need to have. All of this volatility is not really lost on the commodity markets. It's sort of scaring them a little bit. We did make a new low in crude oil today. Spot crude going down to $42.63 a barrel. That's the lowest it's been this year, of course, and we are approaching $32.50 is the low crude oil went to during the height of the financial crisis. So we're thinking about checking those numbers out, perhaps. I tell you, at some point, energy can get a little too cheap in a way that it can certainly damage the U.S. economy to some extent, and we can elaborate that, later on. But anyway. The CRB index, which is a basket of all commodities, is fearing a little bit of deflation with declining crude oil prices, and that's got the markets down today. Cotton down about 30 points, not too much happening there. New crop December around 62.20, down about 35. The beans today took another hit. They're down about 10 to 15 cents, maybe 20 cents in some cases, as fear of more bean plantings in this country and the South American harvest weighs on that. Corn down today 7 or 8 cents. I think that's a reflection of cheap energy making ethanol cheaper. And then wheat today down. They tried to rally based on some weather conditions, but I guess they're going to get a little rain around, so wheat is down based on that. Tomorrow is the middle of the week. Let's see what that brings. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.